Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and OPPO Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app and press the screencast button. Now select your TV, confirm, and your devices are connected. Thanks to this you can play any music or video you want, and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.